maybe you've learnt some memory techniques, you've read a few blogs, watched a couple of videos, and you're ready to do a little bit of training. You know, you want to improve your memory and you want to see how it works for you. So how much is the right amount? Well, the most important thing that I've seen with my own training and also with my students' training is that it's more important to be consistent and regular with your training than it is the length of time that you sit down and train for. So obviously, you know, if you're sitting down and training for an hour every day, you're gonna, you know, see some really good results. But even if you're just sitting down for a little 10-minute session, you're better off doing that 4 or 5 times a week rather than doing a 1 or 2 hour chunk once every week or every fortnight. So it's about incorporating it into your everyday life and then also having a little bit of a regular training schedule, which might just be when you're on the train on the way to work, or you know, you might be able to multitask with your time, but you need to set aside some dedicated time to really keep practicing the techniques so they become second nature when new information does come at you in real life. So I hope that helps with how much training you should actually be doing. If you've got any questions, please just let me know. I've got heaps of blogs and videos that you can follow to get you started as well.